Today is May 8th and I'm showing you my Clematis flowers the day after we had a storm yesterday, but I will show you them in recording. Again, that plant is pretty high. This plant here is 8 feet high and it is loaded with flowers that last for weeks and weeks and weeks. Even after the storms that pounded here yesterday, this is what it does. The flowers hold on well, even through hail. And to give you a size of these flowers, I will stick my hand right into here to show you the size. And I got pretty big hands. And I'll wrap right in behind it. That's the size of these blooms, and they're everywhere, and they're thick, and they're beautiful.